What's up, Daniel? Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Fujitsu 24,000? 24,000 BTU. This is a tri-unit. We have 3 circuits there, A, B, and C. We're only using 2. And unfortunately, and I'm going to keep it real, I'm really going to keep it real here. I keep it uncut, unedited, raw. On the Uncensored channel, we have F-bombs. I totally neglected and forgot about this system.
Did you put it in?
Yes. I installed this about maybe 8 to 10 years ago. And we have a unit, and you'll see, ladies and gentlemen, shortly, we have a unit that's right inside there in the mechanical room for the indoor pool and the aquarium and the boiler. He wanted to reduce the temperature in there, so we put a ductless unit in there. And then we had a problem with the chiller, right, because it's in a confined space for the aquarium, so we added one there as well at the same time. But I neglected to service it and maintain it. I totally forgot about it because it's not on the contract for the maintenance that we do in the whole home, and there's multiple systems here. And I dropped the ball. They're still paying for a replacement, but it is what it is. Well, now we're going to add this to our maintenance regimen, and you guys will see shortly what I'm talking about. All right, so here's that chiller. And up here is this, unfortunately, neglected. And she's not really working anymore. There's so much buildup on that blower wheel that I just can't handle it anymore. Check this out, by the way. This is part of the life support system for the tank that is above us. This is my height, so it's big. Almost as tall as Daniel. Yeah, so we take care of this house. Ultraviolet light for the pool, which is that away. This is the HVAC system with the remote condensing coil outside. There's that Fujitsu that we use for this area, right? And the pool is literally that away. This whole thing right here, that's the pool. It's an in-ground indoor pool. And this has been like this for quite some time. The salt creep. It's gonna have to be a repair by the pool company. And take a look at this beautiful install that we did a while ago. Take a look at that. Yep, we did that. Beautiful.
Oh, they have salt on them.
Yes, sir.
This is flake. Oil is pretty clean though.
Wow. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I really feel bad. I neglected this unit. I really did, but I'm giving him a good price on the replacement. And listen, I kept it real. I said, listen, I dropped the ball on it. We could take it apart. We can clean that thing, but we could still have problems with it because of the salt and stuff. At the end of the day, take care of your customers. Be upfront and honest with them. They'll understand. So here's the new one. Taking up all this stupid tape. Literally. All of this crazy tape. They must have a sale in China on baby blue shipping tape. All right, so there's the remote. This is the old unit. And we'll prep this for Daniel. Oh, man. If you got TV stuff, you can tell. have to change the bracket. It's different with the newer models. Daniel's carefully balancing himself there. Yeah, so this home was in the second season of Tanked for the fish tank that's above us.
Cool.
And they were, and the indoor pool was in one of the episodes of Orange is the New Black. Piper, the little freak on the
I
show.
never watched it.
Oh, yeah.
But I did watch Tanked.
Yeah.
Tanked was a cool show.
It's a pretty cool show, yeah. That's one of the reasons why I picked Martin from Total Aquariums to put my fish tank in years ago. He was on tank. I love it how they give us little notches right there to hold the torpedo.
Yeah. Nice.
Yep. Let me go get the unit. You know what's crazy?
What?
That the year is 2024, right? And this unit is still not Wi-Fi out of the box.
Yeah, it's $150 for Wi-Fi.
That little module that plugs into here. Why is it that Fujitsu refuses to incorporate Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi ready, not Wi-Fi compatible, Wi-Fi inside? Kind of like, you know, the Intel inside. Why don't they have that? They're retarded. All right, I removed the electrical cover for you. So you have to fish the wire through here, and I'll pass it to you. The drain out of the way, come on. I know. Yeah, I'll hold it. I got the unit. Landlord say your rent is late. Might have to litigate. Don't worry. Be happy. Good?
Nope.
What's wrong? Let me get a better angle attack here. Hold on. Let me, hold on. Let's see where I'm standing. Right there. There. Any pulling that wire? No. I'm going to push more to the wall. There you go. Okay. Want to connect them? Because they're going to...
blocking it?
One?
Well,
Yeah.
I have to go more. Yeah. How much more? Oh, I'll cut it out. Push it.
Okay. Yeah.
Read flare.
What?
Read flare.
If you want to.
You think the old ones will hold?
Maybe.
All right. The new Fujitsu is on the wall. We did it. Thank you for custom fabricated steel platform with wood, plywood on top. You helped us out.
Custom fabricated.
Martin has a guy. Martin is the owner of Total Aquarium. He has a guy that fabricates steel like that. He did it for me. By the way, when I was up here, the only thing I was thinking about is take a look at those lag bolts right there behind you. And they're all like not going straight in. They're all on an angle, like they're being weighed down. It's crazy. And this beam, they really notched that out for the ductwork here. They did.
Oh, well, there's two beams.
Oh, yeah.
Split.
That's a lot of weight.
Sketchy.
That's sketchy. All right, the unit's connected. Electric is done. Passed the pressure test. Now we're gonna vacuum it down. Daniel's using the Elitech refrigeration vacuum gauge or micron gauge. Nothing fancy here. Just looks like he pulled the core out. Standard hose. 6,000 microns and dropping. Not too shabby. All right, almost 8:45. Been here for a little under an hour. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, right? 700 microns. 690. We'll bring it to 500 or? Yeah, 300. Okay. We'll entertain them. Why?
Because you're going through a stupid adapter. Look at the size of this adapter. And then there's a Schrader core here.
Oh. Oh, I thought you had pulled the Schrader core.
No. There's no room.
Yeah. That sucks.
Stupid design.
490 microns. Well, technically, that is to industry standard. We're below industry standard now. We exceeded industry standard specifications. 480 microns, right? Every single text tells you 500 microns, right? No?
It's not 500.
You're right. It's 480. But then it goes back up. 460. 7 minutes to 9. Time to dump the charge. Okay. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna open up the valves and then turn her on. And that's a wrap, folks. 2 minutes after 9. System is running. Job is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area and you're tired of dealing with a mediocre plumbing, heating, and cooling company, give us a call at 516-348-6300. Or save time, book online at pipedoc.net. If you're in the Central Florida, Orlando region between Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach, and Claremont, give me a call there as well, 407-375-1100. Remember, quality ain't cheap and cheap ain't quality. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.